What is good, 4x4 friends? Welcome back to the Blaze Offroad YouTube channel. Kai here. This video is going to be part 2 of our 2-part series of installing some of the battery accessories from SDHQ that we sell. Part 1, we installed the battery terminal mounts that they have. We installed them on my 5th gen 4Runner, but they work on a majority of Toyota and Nissan vehicles. It's a pretty universal product. It also works on a lot of Ford things as well. We do sell them in our shop, and you guys are more than welcome to pick them up from us in the link down below. But today we're going to be focusing on the battery tie-down mounts. Now, there's a couple of reasons you're going to want to install the battery tie-downs from SDHQ. These are billet aluminum. They're super high quality. The factory tie-down is cheap stamped steel from Toyota. It corrodes and it rusts. It breaks down easily. The battery can come loose and slide out, which causes the terminals to arc. Obviously dangerous. It can start a fire in your vehicle. Even if that battery just comes disconnected, that's not good. You're gonna end up in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully you have something like Starlink or a Garmin InReach to be able to contact somebody. But if not, and you have no cell phone service, then you're out of luck, man. Like, you're stuck. And so this is just a really good, cheap accessory to be able to install for peace of mind. Now, getting this all set up and ready is super easy. We're going to remove one of the long and short hooks, get rid of those, leaving us with just these ones. You're going to use one long and one short. The long one will go towards the front of the vehicle and the short one will go towards the rear. Next, we're going to take the nut that's on here and run this up towards the hook here. Once those are on, you're going to attach them to these extensions. Super quick, super easy. Let's go open up the engine bay on the 4Runner and work on installing this. Now that we are inside the engine bay here, you will need your 10mm socket to undo those bolts. Just a couple quick turns and then you can undo them by hand the rest of the way. Remove that OEM battery tie down and get ready to replace it with your beautiful new one from SDHQ. Now you can start attaching your SDHQ billet aluminum battery tie down. You'll want to put the longer hook in the front and the shorter hook in the back. You'll want to fine tune each of the hooks, the longer one on the front and the shorter one on the back, making sure that they are within about 1/4 inch or so of the top plate so that you can tighten those down. When it comes to tightening that down, you'll need a 4mm Allen key. And just like that, you now have your SDHQ billet aluminum battery clamp installed, and you can tell just how tough this thing is. It is not going anywhere. Make sure that it is tightened down fully, but this thing is super sturdy and you're not going to have any battery issues moving forward. Plus, it looks really, really good in your engine bay. Gives it a nice little pop and a little flash to it. And just like that, you now have all of your SDHQ battery accessories installed. We have the billet battery tie down and the terminal attachment points. Overall, super easy install. These are going to benefit you for a very, very long time, making sure that you stay on the road safe and driving. Your battery has no issues whatsoever, keeps you nice and safe, and is just a very good upgrade to have. Thank you guys so much for watching both of these videos. If you missed the other one, we will link them down below. You can watch those. Thank you guys so much for joining. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, whether that's installs or camping trips, overlanding, things like that. Comment down below what you want to see or any questions that you guys have, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.